Mint. I mean, heck. I low-key love this because Callie will keep getting tired at night and being like, oh, just take my car home and pick me up tomorrow. And like, I still have to drive home, but I don't have to drive the Cloud Bach home, dude. I could drive this, which is nice, you know? Yeah, well, we're gonna do some things today, probably. How's it going? I left this in Callie's car, so I'm just gonna film whatever we do.
We had the car jacked up, and like this side wouldn't even come off the ground.
Yeah, bro, I had the car like jacked that far up, and the wheel was like still on the ground. Like,
yeah, your struts. That means they're like factory struts with like lowering springs or something.
It was like my dad's Civic used to.
You're forgetting your dad had a Civic. I wish I knew you when he had a Civic.
I wish I had something better than this.
So this car was painted something, but was probably originally that color, this color.
Oh yeah, the carbon fiber leaking out.
And then it was painted this color because you can see the overspray. I think that whatever color it was painted, it was probably a cool color. But also they found out.
Someone didn't think so.
Yeah, someone did.
Someone carbon fiber.
Someone thought that the. Does anyone want to buy a carbon fiber hood?
The hood's carbon fiber, and this dude plasti dipped the car, I think.
It's definitely just the old hood that friggin'.
Or it's just a hood. I don't know.
Can't you like refurbish carbon fiber though?
Yeah, you could clear over it. You could sand it and clear over it, and it'll look good. This is Kevlar, dude. It's green. Or it's yellowed carbon fiber. Yeah, it looks more
Probably
like yellowed clear coat on the gel coat. You know what? You know what probably happened? It had the holes for the hood pins. They did the body work to it. They didn't like the way it looked, obviously, because it's bonded over carbon fiber, and then they plasticked it. That's just weird that that's carbon fiber. But what I'm gonna go do over here is we got these skirts for Callie's car mad long ago. Friggin' WRX side skirts. That should, you know, probably match the rears. Maybe we're gonna paint match these, maybe not. Maybe we'll paint those black. But we want to see what it's gonna look like, and possibly get another lip. Callie's kind of traumatized because the last lip, the one that I water,
I couldn't even get it off of
that's all that's left of it because of a snowstorm.
You could tell.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put on these WRX skirts and see how that looks. I forgot my camera in her car the other day. We didn't work on our Z because we realized I had everything but a jack and we needed that. So, but I do have this stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and yeah. So I figured out that this piece right here is the front section of this. I also figured out that these things, WRXs, have holes here, like my Prelude side skirts, so that these go in. And because this is not a WRX, it doesn't. But the side skirt fits, so we got them self-tappers. We got them self-tappers.
You have friends. We could all do it off.
They went over here.
Just spend a day
peeling
all this off.
Oh, is that paint?
No, that's silver. Like, cause this is the Kouki front end. So this Kouki front end is probably silver.
I'm surprised it's coming off that easily with Goo Gone.
Right?
You gotta kind of push down pretty hard, but like
would it be better with like a freaking abrasive thing?
I'm not looking forward to doing the whole car, bro.
That's not bad, dude. Like, you should have seen how long we spent on Pedro's S10 spraying WD-40 on it, and it would barely come off. Like, this would have taken me a half hour.
Yeah, it's mad gross. What's that?
See, I don't think the roof is freaking plasti dip.
I don't know. It looks like it was. It matches too well to not be plasti dip. Nah, because if it was spray paint.
No, this is. I'm cleaning it off, dude. I think because of oxidation or the weather, like it did all this. Cause like now it feels like we're not on plasti dip anymore.
I don't know. It's weird. Cause you could see a different color underneath it. Like how would they match plasti dip to not plasti dip so perfectly? You know, I would try the mirrors. That'll probably tell you what color.
Dude, I swear to God, it's not. The hood's not plasti dip. I think it's spray painted, yo.
No, Goo Gone wouldn't take it off, dude. Goo Gone takes off fucking rubberized bullshit. That might be like the bottom layer of the plasti dip. I mean, it looks like it's coming off good though.
All right. So what color was this car before?
Do the mirrors, and that'll probably tell you. But let the Goo Gone sit for like a second. The whole car was definitely that red color.
Yeah, this is definitely plastic. The way it's peeling.
Honestly, the mirror is hard. It just looks dark.
There's like a little...
No, because it dries up.
That's what it looks like so far. Pretty good. I thought the door was gonna hit it, but I guess not. Because like I said, there is nothing really holding this way. I just had to like, when I put the self-tappers in, I had to kind of be mindful of like how I was gonna pull this in rather than have the big gap right here. So I guess that's pretty freaking good. All right, let's do the other freaking side. All right, shout out to Callie for getting me my head wiping apparatus. I think they match the freaking rear spats really good. Just need a freaking lip. And if anyone has any idea what lip we could get that covers like the bottom part of the bumper because that crack came back, yeah, let me know, because if there's a lip that like kind of has an insert that like does all that, that'd be tight. And let me know if we should, actually Callie, come here. What do you think about the black?
I don't mind it.
Well, you can't have those paint match and that not.
It's
so either
side
everything has to get painted black,
No, it looks
or
fine.
it has to be paint match.
No, it looks fine.
I have clear coat and the
I'm not
friggin'
painting them black. Like, why would those are freaking my color and flake, and I'm gonna paint them black?
Okay, so paint match it is. Like, that's what I was leaning towards. I was hoping you'd say that. So yes, paint match. But yeah, let me know if we have friggin' lip. Oh, that's pretty good. So yeah, the hood's carbon fiber. It was carbon fiber and
You
plastic.
already sprayed it. You might as well do it.
Is this
while
all
it's wet.
WD-40 right here?
Yes.
I bet you that'll come out really easy because it's just been pulled up in there.
Oh. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Wow.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Ew.
I don't know how many times I've said this on this channel. I know I've said it multiple times, but never, ever plasti dip anything, all right? It's not 2010. That's probably when this was done. So here lies the canopy, RIP. We don't know what happened, but apparently there was wind.
So much on this front.
Also done put the bumper on the Evo. Looks a lot better now.
Will look with everything off of it.
I know.
I think it'll look much better. We could literally dedicate like next Sunday to just cleaning this thing up.
Is that Damian?
What?
Next Sunday, we're all coming here and we're cleaning this thing up.
I'm gonna remember you said that.
I'm down.
Next Sunday is only going to be 77 degrees.
Perfect.
Alright, well, I gotta buy a big thing of goof off.
Yeah.
For like stuff like the
Yeah.
fender and the roof and stuff. And then
They have dip remover. You can get like a gallon of dip remover. Or a gallon of just liquid WD-40 instead of the stuff in the can. Or we could just spray paint stripper on the whole thing, get this thing down to bare metal.
No.
yeah.
Why?
I'm
That's the
excited.
funnest thing. It just bubbles up and you just scrape
I'm
it off.
excited to
You
see
can
what it's
literally
gonna
just
look
hose
like.
the thing off. You don't even gotta pressure wash it. Just hose it off.
Do you have to drive?
Of course.
Jesus, you guys are same shit.
Well, there's a car parked behind it.
You have to drive my car.
We're not all going in my car. There's something in the back seat.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
then we'll
could
take my car.
take, we could take my
Yeah.
car too.
I thought you meant we were driving
You guys could take this
separate.
and we'll take my car.
Whatever.
We're driving separate?
I don't
cares?
care.
Why?
I'm just saying, like, if,
All right,
unless
no,
I
no,
can
no.
put that thing in your
I gotta
back
put this in the
seat.
garage anyways.
This dude went to Harbor Freight today and balled out, dude.
We can take my car. You just have to put that pin in, like, your trunk or something.
So we're We're going to Rich's Farms, for those of you who don't know. It's like a good spot. And yeah.
Find it first.
Yeah, we have to find it first, but it's probably going to be packed.
It's a Sunday.
Probably, maybe, but it's okay because it's like an adventure, you know? You're going to go find the cows. Rich Farm ice cream.
Can we pet the cows?
Oh man,
dude,
dude,
it's R32, dude.
that flag, dude. Are those are the wheels Iad had, right?
Yeah.
Those rotiforms? Oh, look at my guy.
Oh, hi.
We can go cow
We could
tipping.
take him on a walk. He has a collar.
I said,
God damn it, dude, the parking's full.
nah, you just park in here. There's a lot of people here. Lake Compounds, get free Pepsi products with silver, gold, and deluxe. Oh fuck, I forgot. Lake Compounds doesn't have free soda anymore.
No, they don't.
Disgusting. Why don't they do this? Alright, well that means the night is, it's like, dude, it's like, I think it's 2:30, and I think Callie may not go to work tomorrow and just come hang out, but yeah, I had a good night, good day. Weird video, I know, but posting it because, you know, I want some opinions. I really think we should paint match the things, but anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out. Oh, buy the merch.